Hey guys, how we doing? Just want to drop you a quick video, let you know I'm still recovering from but I'm not down and out, that's for sure. There has been a lot of things going on, and I wanted to clear some of those issues up for the followers. Now, first things first, I moved everybody off of TikTok that I could onto YouTube because of the snowflakes, because of the people who want to just go and listen, if you're one of those people and you're over here, well, you know how to unfollow, you know how to unsubscribe, you know how to pretend to be an adult about it and just click a button, and that's all you can do over here. And that's why I moved everybody from TikTok hell to here, so that some person with a bad attitude couldn't push a button and shut down live streams. That's also why I'm no longer doing live streams on TikTok, period. Now, I'm forced to move everybody from YouTube to Rumble because of censorship, because YouTube has decided to change its terms of service for like the 20th time. Maybe I'll put something up here or something like that, so you can actually see where they do this shit all the time, all in the whole grand scheme of making things so much easier for us. And that's just not the case. If you haven't been paying attention, YouTube decided to hit me with a strike a couple weeks ago, which pretty much just solidified that, yeah, they're coming after me. They're going to come after all the YouTubers. They finally found the little guy that talks about prepper stuff, that somehow managed to fall between the cracks of their censorship program. Now, here's why I'm saying that. It's not bullshit. So I got a YouTube strike because during one of my live streams, I played a video by Redacted. If you don't know who they are, they're pretty big. And it wasn't a copyright strike. It was a disinformation or misinformation strike. It was a video about misinformation about that thing that we cannot speak about at all. Otherwise, the algorithm picks us up and pushes us to the bottom. Oddly enough, it forced this whole Rumble thing. It forced me to realize that no matter what I did, they were going to come after me. So I moved everybody to Rumble. And if you don't like it, that's just the way it's going to be. Now, here's the proof. Here's the receipts, guys. The same video that I played is still up on YouTube on the Redacted webpage. It's that simple. So they weren't after that. They weren't after misinformation. They weren't after that subject. They just wanted to shut the little guy down. For my Patreons, I know I used to make it so easy for you to watch my Good Morning Patreon videos every single morning. I know I made it so easy for you. Just uploaded it to YouTube, make it, unpublished so that only people with the links could see it. And it was just so easy. You could watch it on any platform. You could watch it on your web browser. You could watch it in the Discord. You could watch it anywhere. Super easy. That's not happening anymore. If you guys haven't figured it out, if you want to watch my Good Morning Patreon videos, then you got to be a Patreon. I'll leave a link down below, and you can decide what you want to do. And two, you've got to watch it on Patreon. It's that easy. The time of mass censorship, the time of going after the little guys, it's all ramping up. So we have to adjust. And if you want to keep those abilities, then you've got to be able to be flexible, and you've got to be able to adjust with the times. So all Patreon videos that are Patreon only will be posted on the Patreon. So if you try to view it in a web browser and that web browser has never logged into Patreon, then you're not going to be able to view it there. You'll have to use the app or log in on that PC. For those of you that refuse to go to Rumble, so be it. I'm not gonna sit here and beg you to do something that's good for you. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. In fact, I've had a lot of complaints about how somebody or groups of people are having problems with Rumble. My bet is that they're either not using it in the app on their phone, because lots of people use their phones, or they're trying to view it in a web browser on their phone and it's not working, or they haven't verified their account. That's right, you actually have to have a verified account to use Rumble. And how do you do that? Well, you sign up for Rumble. They send you an email. You click the link in the email. Your account's verified. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not coming back to YouTube to do my live feeds anymore. It's that easy. I'm not posting anything else on YouTube that isn't going to be like, hey, this is how I fix this, or hey, this is a gear review, or it's just going to be simple YouTube videos that would never violate their terms of service or their community guidelines. It's just that simple. They're a company. It's their business. If they want to play by these rules, so be it. I'll say the things that I want to say on other platforms. I get a lot of questions about why I'm not live streaming on YouTube anymore. I think I've been pretty clear about the entire situation. They made the rules. It's their company. There's things that I want to say that I cannot say. And that's not cool. Now, there are a lot of other people that are leaving YouTube, and let's face it, we're never going to damage them. And that's not the goal. The goal is to have the ability to continue to say the things that I want to say. Hey, I'm an American. Those are my rights. And if they want to change the rules, then those are their rights as well. It's their company. If you have any questions, down in the comments, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll go from there. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye. It's really easy, just down there. Down there. Hello, Penny. Yeah, just down there. Bye.